Hi guys, welcome back. And I am your Nagendra Kumar. Before saying my topic, just go through these pictures. You guys might have guessed what my topic would be about, what the information today I'm going to give you. Yes, you're right. Today I'm gonna tell you about EIA 2020 draft. Before telling about EIA, let me give a little background. Means world's worst industrial disaster is happened in our India on 2nd December 1986 in Bhopal, where more than 5 lakh people have been injured and and thousands of people have been died in this tragedy. After this tragedy, the Indian government started a department like Ministry of Affairs, and they bought a new principal policy called Environmental Protection Act 1986. And this Protection Act means the Environmental Protection Act 1986 is mandatory for each and every industries, means like chemical industries, pharmaceutical industries, manufacturing industries, etc., where the industries should follow each and every rules of the policy. After this, where EIA was strictly followed from 27 Jan 1994 to 1994 to 2004, where the 10 years where EIA was strictly followed by each and every companies. While on 27 Jan 1994, the Union Ministry of Environmental and Forest made a EIA as mandatory under the Environmental Protection Act 1986. Rather than advantage, there are more disadvantages in EIA Draft 2020, where our government have shortlisted some companies like small pharmaceutical companies don't want to follow any environmental rules, and construction companies like River Valley Project Constructions, like some other etc. They don't want to follow any environmental rules. If this EIA got completely implemented in our India, and in 20 years our India will be in top. But in as I'm saying, if this EIA got implemented in our India, it will be like, what do we say? Our India will be most powerful country in the world. Like in 20 years, if the EIA got implemented in our India, in 20 years our India will become a most powerful country in the world. Like it will beat a USA, China, Russia, Israel, whatever country it may be. India will stand at the top. Rather than advantage, there are more disadvantages in EIA Draft 2020, where our government have shortlisted some companies like small pharmaceutical companies don't want to follow any environmental rules, and construction companies like River Valley Project Constructions, like some other etc. They don't want to follow any environmental rules. If this EIA got completely implemented in our India, and in 20 years our India will be in top. Comparing to other countries' environment, our India's environment will get totally collapsed, where rivers will be drowned and mountains will be drilled, and each and every agriculture land will be doomed, where our India will be completely doomed in 20 years. And the scientists are saying this corona, this is not a pandemic, it's a sins of humans who destroyed forest environment. So our nature, our environment as returning our sins back in the name of corona. And there are I think there is 4 to 5 websites worked to ban this EIA Draft 2020, who collecting information, who conducting a survey about EIA Draft 2020 have got banned. and even now the government have been banned those websites. And till now I gave you only little bit of the information, where this EIA draft 2020 is like an ocean, where even 24 hours is not enough to explain about this EIA. I want to share another information with you. You know about our capital city, New Delhi, that our New Delhi got completely polluted air, where they are opening a room called oxygen rooms, where a person can pay thousands together, and he can go into a room and breathe, and he can breathe a peaceful and fresh oxygen. Likewise, if this EIA draft got implemented in India, where not only in New Delhi, where entire India should construct oxygen rooms. If you don't believe in me, you can Google it. In New Delhi, they have constructed oxygen chambers. So please, guys, I'm begging you, make sure this EIA draft 2020 not going to implement in our India. If it get implement, our India is doomed. So for more information, please subscribe Premchand Information. For instant notification, press the bell icon.